Hey guys, Nelly here. This is gonna be another short Vlogmas. Not much happened today. It's been quite a rainy day actually. Sorry. I'm sorry, I know this probably wasn't the Vlogmas you were expecting. The thing is kinda hard getting videos out daily like this, but I try. So, not much happened today. It's been quite a rainy day. Excuse me. Sorry. And I'm just really tired right now. The cat came by again. So this is going to be kind of hard, and I'm sorry about that. But maybe hopefully tomorrow will be longer. I suppose I could talk about or do another Christmas special review, but I don't really know what to review right now, so you'll probably see a review tomorrow. And tomorrow will be more productive. So sorry this is so short. But thanks you guys for watching. If you like this video, push the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video.